Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of graphic card GeForce RTX 3060 Ti gaming DXC 8G. Then enter it. After that the search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product. So this is your graphic card. Click on this. After that click on this is your graphic card. After that click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system driver download and installations process same. Okay, select your operating system. So you can see this is driver name, NVIDIA driver. This is version, size and date also there, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. After a click downloading, it will start in the download box, you can see, and it will take 4 to 5 minutes and depend about your internet speed. It is completed downloading, and then click on three dot and then go to download option. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.